Okay, today is the day after the Super Bowl. It is free coffee day. Don't forget free coffees at Starbucks. Maybe I will get a free coffee, but we're going to be doing a little taste test of this product. This light is really kind of dark. Let me turn this on. This light's not that great. You can see it's got this big kind of a light issue there. It's got one of those lights. It doesn't use a light bulb. It uses a long, I don't know what they call it. It's just a long, it's not a fluorescent light. It's, I don't know, it's some kind of tube that lights up. It's not standard lighting. But anyway, today is Tuesday, so we will try this. Today is the day after the Super Bowl. Right now it is Monday. This will be out tomorrow, Tuesday. And we'll be trying Walden Farms Mocha creamer this time. We did a video back that way if you want to see that. Maybe I'll include on here on Walden Farms regular creamer. As you see, it's about half full. Now, does that taste just like cream? No, it doesn't taste like cream because it's not cream. Does it taste like half and half? No, it's not milk with a little bit of cream. Does it taste like an artificial creamer? Maybe. I don't drink a lot of artificial creamers, so I wouldn't really know. But right now I'm taking amoxicillin. And amoxicillin, you can't take any milk, dairy products 2 hours before you take the tablet and 2 hours after. So I just took it just now. So around 12, I can get a coffee from Starbucks with some half and half for free or whatever. But it says I can't have that. I can have this because this is non-dairy. It's fat-free. It's zero net carbs. 0 calories. This is a keto-friendly product. And here's the information in the back. I have to refrigerate this one after you use it, but right now it's just warm. It's going into hot coffee, so it doesn't really matter. And there is some of the information about the product. And here's the rest. If you tried any of the Walden Farms, I'll put this closer. I'll put it this way. So, well, no, I'll put it that way. So in case you want to look at the ingredients there, you can pause the video and look. But yeah, so this is a vegan product, I guess. Guilt-free. So it's calorie-free, fat-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, cholesterol-free, 0 net carbs, and calorie-free. Small swaps saves calories. It says so this must be more of a diet. I guess a diet program that they're talking about right here. And the whole program is this. Now, will this taste like a chocolate mocha when I'm done? I don't know. Will it taste like hot chocolate? I don't know. Now, the Walden Farms, the one that I want to show you first, they had them for, I think they were 49 cents each. And these, I think they said cost about $3.99 at another store. I bought this at Grocery Outlet. This one was just the only one they had in the whole store. They do have some other Walden Farm products there now. They had a Walden Farm kind of syrup, I think it was, or a couple other Walden. I had never heard of Walden Farms when I bought the standard white colored creamer. Yeah, so I don't know. Will it taste just like that? I'm going to start heating the water. Will it taste exactly like a chocolate mocha? Will it taste like hot chocolate? I don't know. I don't think so, because the fact it's not. You know, it usually boils just down to that. We use a knife to start this process of opening it. And there we go. So now it's naked on the top. So I think it's to shake it and start it. And you hear the, oh, it does smell like chocolate. Here, smell. It does smell very chocolatey. Now, maybe they can do more chocolate in that a sugar-free process. It says the ingredients are water, natural cocoa. So it does have cocoa powder. So that's why it tastes like chocolate. The one that was the first one I showed you that I've tried before, I don't dislike it. I can always have coffee black if I needed to. So usually I do drink half and half. Some people say you shouldn't drink half and half because it has carbs, but you know, I'm not a 0 carb kind of person. Could I go for one day 0 carb? Yes, I could do that. Have salads or whatever, it just goes 0 carb. But that doesn't necessarily mean I would want to. Yesterday was Super Bowl, like I said. If you go back that way, you'll see that I made some Super Bowl bar mix. So I did not, the entire time the Super Bowl was on, my blood sugar did not spike. I have my Lever 3 on, and it did not spike at all. So it stayed just real steady, even though I was eating that. I made chicken sandwiches. That will be out today as well. Not today. It'll be out when you're watching this. If you watch this video tomorrow, which is Tuesday, there will also be one on a Super Bowl, super keto chicken sandwich I made. Probably about, let's see, maybe about a 2-carb sandwich. So a lot of times what people do is when it's the holidays, or it's their birthday, or it's their Super Bowl, maybe the college. Oh, hurry up, coffee! I'm sleepy. It's morning time. I just got up. But anyway, it it's the Rose Bowl game, the college, maybe it's the Final Four in basketball or whatever. They will use that as a cheat day or whatever. I don't have cheat days. If there's a reason for me to eat something with higher carbs, I'll do so. If I'm somewhere, my hands are shaking, I got a little blood sugar, I'm going to eat a candy bar or something to raise that up. And of course, that's going to raise it up. But I decided to try this year not to use it as a cheat day. I've used it as a cheat day before. One time we went to John's Famous Pizza, Incredible Pizza, whatever it's called, Incredibly Famous, whatever it was, that buffet, and we had a lot. This time it's a good thing I didn't go there, because that Super Bowl was pretty boring. I probably have eaten way too much pizza, because it was all you can eat pizza, salads, desserts. They have little chicken wings or something, I don't know. We really enjoyed it, a lot of fun. You go, if you ever go there, you go and you pay whatever the money, and you get a certain number of games and everything. The games are kind of, they're not that great, but they do have a couple indoor rides that were fun, bumper cars, and then some kind of ride that just goes around in circles. But it was fun. So anyway, don't forget, please subscribe. Channel is growing a little bit. We have over 1 million views. 1 million views, that's a lot. It seems like a lot. The channel's 30 months old, and when it was just at around maybe 27 months old, it hit 1 million views, and that's a lot. To me, it's not a lot, but if I was Mr. Beast and I got 15 million views in the first 9 hours of the day, I'd be going, man, I'm not getting any views. I only got 15 million. These people have like 1 billion subscribers. So I have a little over 14,000 subscribers, maybe getting probably closer to 15,000 now, and 1 million views. So, let's go ahead and try this. It says to use 1 tablespoon. I'm sure the other one was, 1 tablespoon. Now, I don't have a measuring cup kind of measuring spoon. I'm just going to use this. So let's put the coffee in first. We're just going to use Taster's Choice, which is a instant coffee, freeze dried or whatever they make these little crystals. Here, smell that. And we'll use let's use a rounded tablespoon of this, and we'll use 1 tablespoon of the mix. Not the mix. 1 tablespoon of this. And it doesn't have to be exact. I just want to see if it tastes good. Like I said, I don't know how much this costs elsewhere. The other one that I have, I think they said were $3.99 a bottle elsewhere. I got those for 49 cents. Then I found 1 bottle of this at a different grocery outlet, and it was only 49 cents as well. But they may have had cases of this. I bought 6. Yeah, I bought 6 fit in a box that they had, and I bought 6 of those. I didn't get it all. Now I could. 2 reasons why I didn't buy them all for that low price. 1, I thought I'd leave some for somebody else. 2, I thought, what if it doesn't taste good? Even though it's only 49 cents, I'd be getting 6 of them for probably less than the price of 1 bottle at regular price. But if I don't like it, it doesn't matter. If it was free, Now I'm stirring this into the coffee. It doesn't lighten it like half and half or anything like that. It's real dark. See, it's kind of dark. You can see it is different than the I should have maybe shown it with before I put that in there. But I think you get the picture. It was a little bit darker before I did that. before I add it. So it's gonna be hot. Let me try to cool it down a little bit. It's good. It does have a taste that is different than chocolate. It has a taste that's different than cream because it doesn't have cream. Now, it does have chocolate. I can taste the chocolate. But to tell you the truth, in the morning, I'm not really seeking out a chocolate taste. I'm not looking for morning hot chocolate. I would be usually looking more for a morning type of cream. So would I say this is good? Of course, this is good. Another reason why this is good is because the fact that it's taste-wise good, health-wise things that fit my my dietary needs, my healthy diet of my healthy journey, then that is good. It's good there. The numbers are all good. Now, a lot of people will say, well, that has this ingredient or that ingredient. I'm not saying that every single ingredient that is perfect for you. I'm not saying that it's good for you. I'm not saying it tastes good for you. You got to try it. For me, I looked it over, and I think everything on there is pretty much common to what they use when they try to make a product that would taste like chocolate or something like that, or taste like that did have chocolate in it, so it should taste like chocolate. But things that are supposed to be a replacement for something else that doesn't really necessarily fit within my diet. So I know they're going to use some kind of chemical. They're going to use some kind of, or maybe they will. Some are all natural. They're all natural. They just use all low carb ingredients. I talked about that before with cereals. Instead of trying to make a cereal taste like Fruit Loops, what if they try to make a cereal that just tastes good with really good ingredients? So you don't have to use artificial colorings or some of the stuff they use in those cereals. I think those are actually the ones I've used are colored with some kind of a fruit coloring. But yeah, so yeah, I would say that's good. Go and give it a try. Take care, everyone. It is Taste Test Tuesday. Bye.